Struggling with YouTube engagement? The algorithm isn't your enemy, it's your biggest opportunity. In this video, discover the secrets to winning the click, keeping viewers watching, and breaking free from the engagement death spiral. Ready to unlock your channel's true potential? Let's dive in. In this video, you'll learn how the YouTube algorithm really works, why your content may not be getting the engagement it deserves, and the proven strategies to win more clicks, keep viewers watching, and grow your channel with confidence. Let's be honest, you've been there. You spent hours, maybe even days on a video. You crafted what you thought was the perfect thumbnail. You labored over a title that you just knew would grab attention. You uploaded it, full of hope, and then you watched the numbers, and nothing happened. The views trickled in at a snail's pace. The comments section was a ghost town. That silence, it's deafening. You're left staring at the screen, asking yourself one burning question. Is it me? Is my content just not good enough, or is there something else at play here? That something else is a complex, often invisible force that shapes everything we see and experience on the platform. It's the engine room of YouTube, the ultimate digital gatekeeper, the algorithm. But let's be clear, this isn't just a simple computer program suggesting cat videos. This is a sophisticated, adaptive artificial intelligence system with one primary goal: to keep viewers on YouTube for as long as possible. Its decisions on who to show your video to and when to stop showing it can make or break a channel. And today we're going to pull back the curtain on how it truly works. This uncertainty creates a very real phenomenon known as algorithm anxiety. It's that feeling of being on a relentless roller coaster. 1 week a video takes off. You get that incredible rush, the notifications are flooding in, and you think, finally, I figured it out. You've cracked the code. But then the very next video you post flatlines. The impressions are a fraction of what they were. Your analytics dashboard looks sad. So what do? You start second-guessing everything. You change your thumbnail style, you try to mimic the latest viral trend, even if it feels inauthentic to you. This constant pressure to please the algorithm leads to creator burnout and forces many to abandon their unique voice, all in a desperate chase for visibility. The algorithm, which was supposed to be a tool, starts to feel like a cruel and unpredictable master. To regain control, we need to understand the two fundamental pillars the algorithm uses to judge your content. The first battle, the very first gate you must pass, is all about impressions. An impression is simply when YouTube shows your thumbnail and title to a user on their homepage, in their suggestions, or in search results. Now, how does the algorithm decide who to show your video to, and how often? The single most important metric here is click-through rate, or CTR. This is the percentage of people who actually see your thumbnail and then click on it. Think of it as a mass vote of interest. A high CTR, say above 5–10%, is a clear signal to YouTube that says, hey, this thumbnail and title are compelling and accurate. People want to see this. So, the algorithm responds by showing it to more and more people. Conversely, a low CTR is a devastating signal. It tells YouTube, people aren't interested in this, and the algorithm will quickly stop promoting it. This is why your thumbnail and title aren't just about creativity, they are your first and most critical test for survival on the platform. But winning that click is only half the victory. In fact, it's just the beginning of the second, and even more important, battle. Proving viewer satisfaction. You see, YouTube doesn't just want people to click, it wants people to stay. It measures this through two key metrics: watch time, the total number of minutes people have spent watching your video, and audience retention, the percentage of your video that the average viewer actually watches. If someone clicks but clicks away after 30 seconds, that's a terrible signal. It tells YouTube, this video didn't deliver on its promise. The viewer is disappointed. That hurts your video's performance. But if viewers are sticking around, watching most of the video, liking, commenting, and subscribing, that's a standing ovation. You're not only making your viewer happy, you're making YouTube happy by fulfilling its core mission of keeping people engaged. The algorithm will then reward you by pushing your video out more aggressively. It's a virtuous cycle. Now, you can see how these two pillars are interconnected and how easily a channel can get trapped in what I call the engagement death spiral. It starts with a weak thumbnail, which leads to a low CTR. A low CTR means YouTube gives you very few impressions. With hardly anyone seeing your video, you have almost no chance to accumulate any meaningful watch time or a high audience retention score. The algorithm, seeing these poor metrics, quickly concludes your video is low quality and stops promoting it almost entirely. This sends you right back to the start, making it even harder for your next video to get impressions. It's a devastating feedback loop that can make a creator feel completely stuck. So, is the solution to just curse the algorithm and give up? Absolutely not. Here is the paradigm shift, the most important takeaway from this entire video. Ready? The YouTube algorithm is not your judge. It is your most powerful amplification tool. It is a megaphone. Stop asking, what does the algorithm want? And start asking the only question that truly matters. What does my viewer want? When you reframe it like this, everything changes. Creating a compelling thumbnail isn't gaming the system. It's a service to your viewer, helping them discover content they will genuinely enjoy. Making a video that holds attention from start to finish isn't cheating. It's a sign of respect for your viewer's precious time. Your goal isn't to trick a machine, it's to deeply understand and serve a human being. Let's translate that mindset into a practical 3-step blueprint for growth. Step 1. Target with precision. Before you even hit record, you must know exactly who you are making this video for and what specific question or problem it solves for them. This isn't about being broad, it's about being specific. Use the language they use in YouTube search. Step 2. Master the hook. The first 30 seconds of your video are non-negotiable real estate. You must immediately answer the viewer's subconscious question, why should I spend my time watching this? State the value, create curiosity, and get to the point. Fast. No long, rambling intros. Step 3, and this is the most critical, deliver exceptional value. Your thumbnail and title make a promise. Your video must be the payoff. You must over-deliver on that promise. Provide education, entertainment, or inspiration so powerful that the viewer feels their time was well spent. This is how you build trust, authority, and a loyal community that the algorithm cannot ignore. So, to answer our original question, no. The YouTube algorithm is not killing your engagement. It has simply eliminated the era of low-effort, mediocre content. It has raised the bar and is now ruthlessly rewarding meaningful, value-driven connection. Stop seeing it as a wall blocking your path. Start seeing it for what it truly is, a bridge. A bridge that, when you understand how to walk it, will connect your unique value directly to the audience who is desperately searching for it. The conversation doesn't end here. I want to learn from you. What's one change you made that gave your CTR or audience retention a significant boost? Share your #1 tip in the comments below. Let's build a resource and help each other grow.